Hi, I'm Barbara Brown, and I help people restore their lives to God's original design. When my appendix ruptured more than 15 years ago, that experience taught me to never take my health for granted again and sent me on a quest to achieve and sustain vibrant health for the rest of my life. Abundant, vibrant, unstoppable health and well-being boils down to a few choices you and I make every day that can literally make sickness unnecessary and even slow down aging. These choices determine how good we look, how good we feel. And the only question you and I must answer honestly is, do I believe I'm worth it? I say yes, for sure. When it comes to deciding what to take every day, here's the guiding principle I've learned. Doesn't matter what you take, it matters what your body does with what you take. You and I decide what we put into our bodies. We have nothing to say about what our bodies do with what we put in. What my clients and I take today and what I'm recommending to you has to meet certain criteria. It must be something your body can recognize, absorb, and utilize. It must provide superior benefit with little or no added stress to your body. It must help create and sustain an oxygen-rich internal environment that will enable you to enjoy abundant natural energy throughout even the most taxing days. Build an ironclad immune system that makes sickness and disease run the other way. Support a memory like a steel trap. Laser-like focus and attention. Provide the building blocks for youthful skin and hair. Aid efficient digestion and elimination. And promote deep, restful, and rejuvenating sleep. The Essential Non-Negotiable 5 are the only solutions that meet all those criteria. That's why my clients and I use them every day, and we wouldn't be without them.
Number 5 of the Essential Non-Negotiable 5 is all-natural, plant-based, non-dairy, gluten-free, and non-GMO shake mixes, which are the basis for my ultimate power breakfast. So many companies make meal replacement shake mixes, but when a shake powder mixed with only water and a little ice tastes creamy, satisfies the appetite, and keeps you going for hours, now that's a good shake. All natural, plant-based, non-dairy, gluten-free, and non-GMO shake mixes, which are the basis for my ultimate power breakfast.
If you could make a fabulous tasting breakfast in 5 minutes or less that contained all the nutrients you'd need to get through the morning feeling your best and most of the nutrients you'd need for the whole day, would you try it? This is Barbara Brown on behalf of the team at Whole Life Whole Health. Thanks for watching, and until next time, make today matter.